A.J. Barner's week in the accessed coverage is an empty column. No catches logged, no absence listed, nothing in either direction from the joint practice with the Titans in Nashville or the sessions around it. The tight end who did make the reports was Elijah Arroyo, who caught multiple passes, including a red zone touchdown in Friday's joint practice, per Ari Horton and John Boyle at the team's website. One loud Arroyo day doesn't reorder a room, but it's the only tight end data the week produced, and it lands directly on the June file's one unresolved question. The steadier facts sit behind the quiet. Barner caught 52 passes last season, second most on the Super Bowl champions, and his 2 off-season surgeries have produced no reported setback in any window. This one included cleared for camp in July, participating since. What August hasn't sorted is how the snaps divide when he and Arroyo share the field. And a rookie contract tight end scoring in joint practice red zone work is the kind of entry that keeps that unsorted. Seattle plays the Titans today in Nashville, after this episode is filed, and the finale follows before Sunday's cutdown, neither of which threatens Barner's roster spot, but either of which could finally show the Barner-Arroyo snap split in a live setting. That split is what to watch, along with any first-game usage for Barner this preseason. The June previews bet was the catches, and the split is what sizes them. We'll check after cut day. Data via NFL Verse.